Good morning all. Welcome to the whiteboard session on Palo Alto Prisma Access. My name is Ragesh. I am working with Almuid Computers Middle East, Bahrain. Prisma Access is the SASE solution from Palo Alto. SASE. The expansion is Secure Access Service Edge. So what is this? If you take the first and last, secure edge. Secure the edge. So what are the edge we are talking here? It's users, devices, locations. Secure the edge, the middle terms, accessing the services. So where will be the services? The services may be in data center in HQ, or it may be in any of the hybrid cloud. Maybe it may be in AWS or Azure. Let's see what is the architecture of SASE. So this is, as we know that Prisma Access is a cloud-based solution. It is having presence in 100 plus locations. So it is having a very good backbone network. This is providing two kind of services. One is network as a service, which is, as I said, it is providing a high bandwidth, high throughput backbone network, then SD-WAN, the IPsec VPN, SSL VPN, QoS, policy based forwarding, etc. The second layer is security as a service. Security as a service. So the Prisma Access provides all the next generation security features of Palo Alto, like encryption, decryption, app ID, all user ID, all the normal services, and on top of that it provides us the ZTNA, Zero Trust Network Architecture, the CASB services, firewall as a service, then secure web gateway, DNS, DLP, all the security services. So in general, we can say Prisma Access is a cloud-based solution which is having presence in 100 plus locations, which provides network as a service and security as a service. Now, let's see what is the advantage or what is the problems it is resolving, the Prisma Access. Let's consider a traditional network architecture of a corporate. So there will be an HQ, headquarters, then there will be branches in multiple locations. Branch 1 in US, branch 2 maybe in UK, and branch 3 some other locations. Then we will have the public cloud services, AWS, Azure, and they will be connected to the HQ using a direct connect or an express connectivity, or maybe a normal VPN. Then these branches will be connected using mostly an MPLS cloud, right? As we know that branches will be connecting here branches. This is having connectivity to HQ, and HQ will be again connected to the internet, and all the security, most of the security services or the applications, security services, proxy, firewall, SSL, VPN, everything will be in HQ. And users will be here, mobile users. Mobile users will be connecting to an SSL VPN solution which is at HQ. And what are the disadvantages of this solution? First one is tromboning. Tromboning means if any of these locations or the mobile user, if we want to access internet, AWS, Azure or anything, first it has to come to HQ. From there the service will be rerouted to other. Second thing is scalability. So here everything is having a dependency with the HQ services. Then the third one is capacity issues. Fourth one, of course, the user experience, right? So these are the issues we are facing in the traditional corporate network architecture. So how Prisma Access resolves this? Let's see that. So in Prisma Access, as we said, we have a cloud. This is the Prisma Access cloud, which is having presence in 100+ locations. Then our HQ is connected here. HQ will have a connectivity to the Prisma Access. The branch 1 is connected to Prisma Access. Branch 2, whether it will be in UK, US, Dubai, Bahrain, wherever it may be. Then we have the Azure, AWS. This also will be connected to the Prisma Access. See, all these locations, what we need to have for a Prisma Access connectivity, we just need to have an IPsec supported device, whether it may be a traditional router or any of the IPsec supported device. Then, whenever the traffic comes into the cloud itself, in the source location itself, we can have all the security policies, like we were discussing previously. All the security services we can apply from here. And internet also. So internet will be connected to the Prisma Access. So this is actually from the Prisma Access, it will directly go. So the advantage here is that if branch 2 user want to access something, once the traffic comes here, based on the location, it will be directly sent to the, if it is to internet, it will send to internet. If it is coming to the Azure, it will go like this way. If it is to AWS, it will go. And if it is HQ, it will come here. And all the security services will be applied from here itself. So this is one advantage with Prisma Access. Take a scenario of a mobile user. As we know that with the pandemic, the mobility of the users, wherever they are working, whether it is home, office, they are traveling, they will be accessing the resources, right? Most of them, I can say that maybe 70% plus will be using the VPN, the client VPN solutions. So this client VPN or the mobile users also will be connected to the Prisma Access. The advantage here is, that, as I said earlier, it is 100+ locations, right? So wherever the user is traveling, whether he is in UAE, he is in UK, he is in US, he will be connecting to the proximity based, wherever the nearest location, POP location for the Prisma Access, he will be connecting there. And the security policies will be applied here. So these are the issues which Prisma Access resolves. So here for the management solution options, we have two options. Either we can go for the cloud-based Prisma Access cloud-based management option, or we can have a panorama, the traditional panorama with the Prisma Access plugin. So within the limited time, we covered these topics. Hope that it is informative. Thank you. Thanks for watching.